Many agencies invest significant funds in bridge management software, only to be held back by laggy updates, system crashes, and inefficient tools. Traditional bridge management systems promise comprehensive asset management, but at a cost. Agencies often spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on platforms packed with modules they don't use, long implementation cycles, and upgrades that slow teams down. Nearly $500,000 just to keep the system running. Legacy systems try to do everything together: deterioration modeling, optimization, reporting, but not always to work in the organized way field teams and planners actually need. More features don't always mean better decisions. Sometimes they just mean higher costs and slower response. AssetIntel takes a different approach. inspectX, emergencyX, and manageX are focused and purpose-built tools designed around how agencies operate day to day. No bloated systems, no forced complexities. With AssetIntel, you never worry about overpaying for under-delivery. Choose what you need now, scale as requirements grow, and keep costs firmly under control without a multitude of commitments. A complete bridge management system should focus on outcomes, not unnecessary features. AssetIntel's suite of advanced softwares enables smarter planning, accurate inspections, and faster emergency response without added complexity or cost. Built on transparency and accountability, AssetIntel focuses on outcomes, clarity, speed, and trust without unnecessary complexity. No surprise fees, no costly upgrades. Just software that supports responsible, long-term infrastructure decisions. See how agencies are managing bridges without overspending on legacy systems.